Every living cell is an open system, constantly taking in nutrients and expelling waste. Substances cross this boundary via three distinct mechanisms: diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Diffusion is the net movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration, down a concentration gradient. Because diffusion requires no extra metabolic energy, essential gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide pass passively between our lungs and blood. Osmosis is a specialized form of diffusion. It is the net movement of water molecules from a dilute solution to a concentrated solution across a partially permeable membrane. In pure water, plant cells absorb water and become firm and turgid. In concentrated solutions, they lose water, becoming flaccid and plasmolized. Active transport moves substances against a concentration gradient. This uses cellular energy in the form of ATP. This allows plant root hair cells to absorb crucial mineral ions, like nitrates and magnesium, even when soil concentrations are exceptionally low. Transport rates are heavily influenced by physical factors. A higher surface area to volume ratio drastically increases the rate of substance exchange. Shorter diffusion distances yield faster rates, explaining why gas exchange surfaces throughout nature are only one cell thick. Higher temperatures provide particles with greater kinetic energy. This accelerates their motion and boosts diffusion rates.
A steeper concentration gradient between two regions creates a stronger net drive, directly increasing diffusion speed.
We investigate diffusion in the lab using alkali phenolphthalein agar cubes. As acid diffuses inwards, smaller cubes decolors much faster. This is due to their higher surface area to volume ratio. To measure osmosis in living systems, potato cylinders are bathed in varying sucrose concentrations. Water entry increases potato mass, while water loss reduces it. The point where the line crosses 0% mass change identifies the exact solute concentration inside the potato cells. In a non-living model, visking tubing acts as a partially permeable membrane. Water diffuses into the concentrated sugar solution, forcing the liquid level up the capillary tube. In summary, diffusion moves particles down gradients passively, osmosis moves water across membranes, and active transport expends energy to move solutes uphill. Mastering these cellular transport mechanisms unlocks the foundation of physiology, plant biology, and medical science.